Hey everyone, so today we're making Khichdi and Roti. As you read in the blog, Khichdi has a long history and variations throughout India, but the key consistent ingredients are rice, lentils, or mung beans. For this recipe, we're going to take the rice, mung beans, turmeric, black peppercorns, salt, and then boil them in 6 cups of water for 20 to 25 minutes. So once the mixture's been put together, we're going to go ahead and let it boil. And once it starts boiling, we're going to reduce the heat to medium, pop a lid on it, and let it sit for the 20 to 25 minutes. So while the dal is cooking, we're going to take 1/4 a cup of ghee melted down to warm up the cumin seeds. Once they start to brown, we're going to add a pinch of asafoetida. Then once the dal is finished stewing, we're going to add the chickpeas and the ghee mixture. This will allow the dish to rest off the heat while we make the roti. Roti is very easy to make. For other North Americans, it's going to appear a lot like flour tortillas. You'll mix the flour and water and try to keep the dough bouncy while not rubbery nor flaky. Then you will leave it to rest for 20 minutes covered with a damp towel. After that, you're going to make the balls and they're going to weigh about 30 to 40 grams, which then you'll flatten out, roll them, cook them on a skillet at medium to high heat. As you'll see in this video, I didn't follow my own instructions and Brad had to cook them up all over again to ensure that they properly puffed up. These are really easy, they're fun to make, and they're a great addition to this meal. We made a ghee kind of base to put onto them that was just ghee and garlic, and it was really, really good. Hey everyone. So, while I have you, thank you so much for watching this video. I ask if you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to support us, join our community of history-loving fiends. You can join us on Patreon for $1 Canadian per month. This will give us the ability to keep producing, and it gives you the opportunity to join our conversation on Discord. We do things like talk about different recipes. There's a whole segment for coin talk. So there's lots of fun things happening on there. Also, let us know in the comments if you agree with our review of the recipe. It's amazing how critical chili peppers are to Indian cuisine, and it's such a bummer that our recipe is 1500 years too early to have really got to enjoy that. So let us know. Thanks.